Hi, this is Fred from 4x4 shop. Today we install Android mirror for a 2016 Ford F150. That's the one with the recorder, dash cam, front camera, back camera, and also you can go to the main menu. That's the main menu of the unit. These are all the apps. You can use Google Maps, you can use offline maps, and also you can download all your favorite apps here. It's a front camera built into it. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.